Have you ever watched clouds drifting below you? Have you ever been at such an incredible height that the tiny hills seem to lie beneath your feet? A place where the clouds come so close that you feel you could simply reach out and touch them. Far away from the hustle and bustle of busy, noisy cities lies a place where peace embraces every corner. Here, the gentle songs of birds, the whisper of the wind, and the soothing murmur of flowing streams create a melody unlike any other. The thunderous rush of cascading waterfalls becomes nature's own music, filling the air with life and serenity. This breathtaking heaven is Duka. It is a serene, offbeat mountain village in the Kalimpong district of West Bengal, situated between Lava and Pedong, located roughly 25 kilometers from Kalimpong town. Every journey into nature begins with a purpose. Ours was to capture the beauty of the magnificent birds and to inspire the younger generation to discover their bond with the natural world. With cameras in hand and hearts full of curiosity, we set out for Duka, a hidden paradise, truly a heaven on earth. One of the saddest realities of today's world is that families gather around the same dining table, yet their minds are lost in different screens. Though everyone is connected to the world through technology, they are slowly becoming disconnected from one another. That is why we must teach our children the value of spending quality time with your families and building a close bond with nature. Let them step away from their screens, feel the cool breeze, listen to the cheerful songs of birds and rustling of leaves and the gentle murmur of flowing streams. In nature's embrace, they will discover peace, joy, and the true meaning of togetherness. From the breathtaking Duka Valley, visitors are treated to spectacular views of several remarkable destinations, including the majestic Jiluk and Nathula Ridges, the lush Neura Valley National Park, the charming village of Mayurungaon, the scenic hills of Rikisum, and the picturesque towns of Lava and Pedong. The most mesmerizing sight was the array of vibrant, colorful butterflies. In years gone by, we used to see many such beauties, but nowadays they are a rare delight. The most enchanting sight was the magnificent Duka waterfall, cascading gracefully down in all its glory. Its breathtaking beauty left us spellbound, while the cool mist and the refreshing breeze gently embraced us, washing away every trace of tiredness. Standing before this masterpiece of nature filled our hearts with joy and peace, making it one of the most unforgettable moments. The most breathtaking sight was the panoramic view of Duka Valley. It felt as though heaven had descended close to us, with clouds floating gracefully beneath our feet. Surrounded by untouched natural beauty, the valley offered a scene of pure serenity. Its tranquil charm soothed our mind, filled our hearts with joy and peace, and left us with memories that will last a lifetime. Panoramic views make Duka Valley a truly unforgettable destination for nature lovers. Sometimes the most precious gift you can give your family is not advice, money, or solutions. It is your presence. Simply being there, fully present in the moment, is a priceless expression of love and care. Spend time with your loved ones, create memories that last a lifetime, and teach your children the true value of togetherness. Encourage them to cherish not only the warmth of your family, but also the beauty of nature, where every breeze, bird's song, and flowing stream reminds us to slow down, connect, and appreciate life's simplest joys.